So first of all, download IGS model of this rotor assembly from a link given in this video descriptions. After that, open it in SolidWorks and start a simulation study. Go to new study and from the general simulation type, select the frequency. OK. So first of all, define the material, that is our favorite alloy steel. And now apply a fixtures. Go to fixed geometry and from here select this face and this face. Fixed geometry means that this face is fixed for our number of degrees of freedom. For all 6 degrees of freedoms. So before proceeding the simulations, just go to the properties of frequency simulations, and here in option the number of frequencies, number of modes to be extract. So we want to extract 6 number of modes or resonant frequencies. Now create a curvature based mesh. So go to the create mesh options. From the mesh parameters, select curvature based mesh. OK. Now mesh is being generated. Curvature based mesh has been created. Now run your simulation study and wait until your solution converges. So our simulation has been completed now. You can see the results here. This is a mod shape 1. You can see this is mod shape 1 and the frequency for this mod shape is 1300.8 Hz. If we click on this arrow, you can see this is the mod shape 2, and please observe how the deformation or mod shape behavior is changing, and the frequency relevant to mod shape 2 is here. Similarly, we can extract mod shape 3, mod shape 4 and mod shape 5 and 6. So we can also list down all resonant frequencies against. So this is the mod number 1 and its relevant frequency, and 2 and this frequency, and for mod number 6 the frequency is 4340 Hz. So I hope we can also animate the any mod shape behavior. So I hope you enjoyed this simulation tutorials. Thank you for watching.